Greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can embed a YouTube video onto your Miro board. Let's get right into it. So the first step is you need to find a YouTube video you want to add to your Miro board, and then go to the URL at the top, click on it or drag to select it all, then right click and click on copy. Then you want to go to your Miro board, and you can either press Ctrl and V on your keyboard, or you can right click, click on paste, and you may need to click on paste again if a button pops up. And doing so will add a YouTube video to your Miro board. If you click on it, you can drag it to make it bigger. And if you click the play button, greetings! It's Maxo Diddly. You're able to watch the YouTube video in your Miro board. So thanks for being a great audience. Be sure to leave a like in the comment if you enjoyed, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.